Yeah, that's right. Well, people are waking up in the dark here in Placerville, and students are waking up to no school, and it's all because of the snow and the rain that is coming down and staying heavy. You can see it sticking on the ground here. People are going to be waking up to how are they going to turn on their lights. PG&E has not given a time on when the lights will be turned back on, but we do know this: the snowy weather comes with road closures as well. Caltrans says Highway 50 is closed from Myers to Echo Summit due to avalanche control. Chains are required on all vehicles except four-wheel drive vehicles with snow tires on all four wheels from 3 miles east of Placerville to Myers. Eastbound trucks are being screened at Twin Bridges. Drivers must have chains in order to proceed through that area. Westbound trucks are being screened at Myers. Drivers must also have maximum chains in order to proceed. And when it comes to those school closures, we do know that El Dorado High School is closed along with Pollock Pines Elementary School District. And El Dorado County is asking people to be weather-wise, winter-wise, and keep a first aid kit, emergency supplies, and windshield scrapers, tire chains, and warm clothing, and sturdy shoes in their car. We know a lot of people in this area are going to be relying on generators due to waking up in the dark, and we're going to keep you updated. We're going to head over to Bedford Avenue. We are hearing news that they are completely in the dark, and we're going to head that way right now.